Welcome back. We're in the kitchen with Corey Signer from the Fisherman's Market. It's great to have you back on the show.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah, you are cooking something today that doesn't require cooking.
Yeah, no, I'm gun shy. If anybody tuned in last month and saw me blow up the set and almost kill everybody involved, I haven't actually cooked since. I think I'm gonna have to go to a shrinker.
Right. How's the counseling going? Right.
Yeah.
No, you know what? It wasn't that. It was actually totally hilarious. We had so much fun with it. Of course, we're going to roll the clip right now.
We got a little bit of oil, we got juice in here, it's really nice flavor. We're gonna go in with...
Oh no, it's not working, sadly. That's okay.
Ignore the explosion.
Anyways, unfortunately, the audio's a bit messed up. We have this problem. But was quite a little bit of oil in there, I guess.
That was an epic cooking adventure.
I was excited. But really, it wasn't too bad. I was only scared right there. That's when I actually left the screen.
It was good that you bailed.
It was awesome.
It was good. Yeah, no, it was out of control at that point.
It was awesome, whatever. It went viral a little bit.
We finished the dish, thoh. And it was
it.
fantastic. And it was tasty. We all ate it afterwards. It was really good,
delicious. So. It was good. Did you actually get any burns?
No, I didn't. I didn't burn myself much at all. Actually.
You didn't?
No, it was okay.
Not much at all.
No.
So a little bit?
A little bit.
Like I just walked right off.
I didn't get any
I was gone.
degrees.
This was me. It was all you.
I know. I was trying to shield it the best I could. At least that's my story, and I'm sticking
It was all good.
to it.
He asked me after the show if he thought I might not have him come back to the show.
I thought I was fired.
No,
that was a
never.
firing if I ever saw one. It was funny though. A lot of people had a good laugh in my circle of friends anyways.
Yeah.
We had calls when we got back to the Kamloops store. There were calls in from people all over, and we had a call from Saskatchewan. And they were, oh my God, is Corey okay? And I'm like, oh.
Really? Yeah. I like hearing that. That's very good. Let's burn more things more often.
So today we're not burning anything. There's no cooking involved. Plus it's been hot out. Like
it's hard to cook in your house when it's this hot. You don't want to.
It's super hot. And you know what? You're going to a lot of barbecues, people. It's barbecue season, so you're going to a lot of barbecues. And this is what I bring to a lot of barbecues for people. A lot of people don't get a chance to have it. So today we're going to make a ceviche, which essentially is raw fish, and you put lime juice in it, and the lime juice kind of cures the fish for you. So we're going to make that today. What we're going to be using today is prawn and scallops. These are packages you can buy in our shops of prawns and scallops. What's nice about these, especially with the scallops, is they're chemical free. A lot of scallops in the market have like chemicals pumped into them to hold like, for preservatives and stuff. These are all chemical free, so you can use these for a ceviche. They're lovely. The prawns in here are a wild Argentina prawn. And again, for I think it's 20 bucks, you can buy a 500-gram pack of these in all of our stores. And then to kind of make it a little bit unique, that's right, we're gonna use sea asparagus. It's very good, that's blanched. So I blanched my sea asparagus for a minute. You can get these in all our stores. It's available for about 2-3 months of the summer. A lot of the guys on the coast go down and start. It's all hand harvested off of our coast. This stuff is phenomenal. Get it, try it. You blanch it for a minute, drain it, and you're ready to go into a salad. It's got a nice sea salt, very high in iron. Or you can just kind of saute it with some butter and cracked pepper.
Awesome.
And it is a phenomenal side dish. Seriously, everybody try this product. You will love it. It'll be your new green for the summer, I guarantee it.
Awesome.
So we've got our prawns and scallops. It was the only thing I didn't prep and cut. So we're just kind of gonna, you just want to chop these a little bit. You don't have to dice them up too fine. Just want to chop them just so they're kind of snack sizable. This is something you can generally serve with, some corn chips, nice corn chips and stuff like that. When I show up to a party, this is usually what I bring, and people love it. It's light, it's very part of that party theme. You're on a beach somewhere, nice, there's margaritas and daiquiris, always in my head. I deserve to sit on a beach once in a while, don't we all?
Absolutely, but you're working really hard right now. I hope you do get to sit on a beach this winter.
Well, I will January.
Good.
We're going to be heading out of town, it looks like. At least I owe that to my lovely wife, who has not seen the sunshine since I don't know when.
Okay.
And so again, this was not very well chopped by me. I'm not a good knife person. Don't judge me on this alone. But we've got our prawns and our scallops are going into the bowl. You know what I feel? I gotta be honest with you. After last week, this all just seems very boring to me.
Does it?
It seems
with
boring,
no cooking?
No cooking, no possibility of fire, or maybe I'll cut myself. You never know.
Well, you just said you're not a knife person, so it came to mind.
We got a couple more minutes. There could be some sort of scene going on. Yeah. So here we got our sea asparagus. We're gonna put a little bit of that into our salad there. And then basically we're just adding our accoutrement. You can put in whatever you want. We're gonna put a little bit of seasonal. Oh,
it's a heavy bowl.
Yeah, it's we get good bowls. We got good bowls from them.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with some fresh mangoes in there. We're gonna get some fresh chopped cherry tomatoes just to add some color in. And here's the key, you gotta have this. Any ceviche is chopped cilantro. Get some nice fresh cilantro in there.
I am a lover of the cilantro. Isn't it great?
I love the smell
I know.
when you're cooking with it.
Yeah.
I used to not like cilantro, and then my wife is from South America.
Right.
And I didn't know cilantro is like the god of all herbs for South America. And
I
so
believe
we were
it.
sitting around one day, and I made the comment about one of the salads that, oh, I don't like cilantro. And her aunt smacked me in the back of the head, and I've been a cilantro lover ever since.
I bet. I do love it, though. It's a great smell. Love it.
Oh, it's
love it.
fantastic. We've got some chopped shallots we're going to throw in there. And then we've got a little bit of like a jalapeno, which just be careful. Like I got it on my hands last night. I was kind of just taking the seeds out, and I touched my eye.
And that was it.
It burned. It
I
burned like
believe
all
it.
sorts of heck. So we're just going to put a little bit of this in for some spice. Now, the next thing we got going on, obviously, is lime juice. This is the key component. This is what makes the ceviche. So you got to add your lime juice in, and you're going to... This ceviche is going to be ready to eat as soon as we finish it, but ideally you want to get an hour.
Is that right?
To kind of 24 hours
Just
in
to
the
let
fridge.
it...
Just to let it all stew and marinate and chill. It's nice. It's really nice served cold. So we're going to add a whole bunch of lime juice. We'll use the lime juice from 2 limes, and we're going to put a little fresh squeezed orange juice in there as well.
My mouth is watering. Look at all of those fresh ingredients with the cilantro and the
really
lime.
good.
Oh boy, what is that?
That's a little fresh. It's fresh squeezed. I say it's fresh squeezed. It's Happy Planet orange juice. I didn't
Delicious.
fresh squeeze my own, but
somebody else did.
somebody else did, and somebody
Yeah.
would. And then just cracked pepper brings it all together. It's going to neutralize a bit of the sea salt flavor from the sea asparagus that we used.
Yep.
And again, I can't talk enough about it. Go get some sea asparagus. It's great.
It is good. It is good. I tried
So we get
it.
a little bit of cracked pepper there. And we're going to stir this up. And this is an easy thing. You can do this super quick. It's summertime in the fishing industry, so we're ridiculously busy. We've got our salmon sale going on in full effect. I'm almost sick of like salmon. I eat salmon so much, and we're selling so much of it. It is absolutely ridiculous.
That's good.
Oh, it's crazy. So we just extended our sale, and we're now doing like out-of-town areas. Williams Lake, Merritt. We're doing sales there. We've got a big following in all of these places.
Good for
so we're
you.
actually heading out with our first shipment tomorrow. So, you know, if you guys are from out of town, if you're from anywhere around any of our stores, Kelowna, Kamloops, or Nelson, you're in an outlying area and you want to get good fish, give us a call. We do have a toll-free number. It's on our website, and it's just amazing. So here, we've mixed our ceviche up. Again, it's best if you let it chill overnight, just so the lime juice really cooks some of the product. But this is all fresh, beautiful, natural, non-chemical product. And we're going to put that into our martini glass there. It's very, very nice looking. It's a great way to serve it. You can put a couple of corn chips in there, like I said. And there we've got.
It smells so good.
It looks fantastic. I mainly make this kind of stuff as what I want for lunch today.
Right.
Because that's going to be my...
That's going to be your lunch right
That's
there.
going to be my lunch for the day. So there is a... Sorry, I didn't blow anything up today.
I was going to pretend like there are flames coming out of the salad.
I know,
but
I know.
thought,
I know it seems so lame
stop.
now, but the ceviche is a great item again. It's so hot out there.
Yes.
This is a cool, refreshing item. You can make it in 15 minutes. It's super easy to do. It looks great. I'm looking... It's always impressive when I look at the camera.
I know that's good. That's the preview, but there it is now.
Oh, there's
on
the
program.
preview. Sorry,
Yeah,
I was looking
there
at the
it is.
preview. But it
You know
looks
what,
beautiful.
Corey? It's a great idea to stay cool in hot weather. Fantastic salad. I think it was a great idea for today. And we'll go back to cooking in the next segment. How
We
about
will
that?
cook. I promise we'll cook next time. In the meantime, get some ceviche with some daiquiris.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Information's on the screen. Hope you got a chance to check that out because, yes, it's fantastic food at the Fisherman's Market. We're back in 2 minutes. Stay with us.